You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi guys, it's Marial with the Fitzpatrick team at Remax. Right now we're standing outside 21 Mt Vernon in Newport, Rhode Island. I'm gonna take you through a digital walkthrough and show you what the condo looks like on the inside. Let's go. The condo has two entrances. I'm gonna take you through the garden entrance. Right here, you'll notice a bulkhead that will take you down into the basement where you'll have your own locker with plenty of additional storage. All right, come on in. This condo is on the 3rd floor, so you have plenty of natural light. It's just over 1,000 square feet, so you have plenty of space for living. It's an open format plan so that you'll have plenty of space between the kitchen and the living space. But first, I'm gonna show you the bedrooms. There's 2 bedrooms right next to each other. The first bedroom has a good sized closet for plenty of storage. You have a ceiling fan for an extra breeze. And next door, you will have a similar bedroom. It does not have a closet, but there's plenty of space for furniture of your choice. The unit does come with a stacked washer and dryer. This comes with the unit. And then moving in here, you'll have the bathroom. There's plenty of light, fairly good sized shower. Everything has been freshly cleaned, freshly painted. It's nice and white. Alright, so in the dining area, again, it's an open format, so you have plenty of space for a dining room table, farm table of your choice. And then around here is you'll have a modest sized kitchen with new countertops, electric stove top, and some very, very nice appliances. If you take a look at the floor here, these are all original floors. Inside this unit, there's two additional closets for even more storage space. You'll have no problem storing stuff here whatsoever. And then there's more over here. Another really great feature of this condo is the spiral staircase. This actually acts as another entrance or exit. The previous owner used it as a sunroom, a mudroom. You can put plants down there. If you look on our website, you'll be able to see more photos. So this property is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, just over 1,000 square feet. It's located on Mt Vernon, which is a centralized location here in Newport. You can practically walk anywhere, to the beach, downtown. Great shopping, great restaurants. You'll have a great time living here. So please give me a call. My name is Marial. My number is 401-418-2295, and I'm happy to show you around in real life.